Welcome to From a Hobbyist to a Thriving Artist Challenge Day 21. Previously, we talked about free marketing and we said that the best way of free marketing is social media. And right now, one of the most popular social media platforms is Instagram. And for Instagram, I have a few suggestions for you so that you can optimize your Instagram account for commissions or art sales. When a person visits your Instagram account, the first things that they're gonna look at is your profile photo, your bio, your link, and the highlights. If you have a bad profile photo, for example, a very complicated background, and you are maybe too far away, or you have your sunglasses on, then that's not going to be the best profile photo ever. And also, which angle you're looking in the profile photo matters. If you do like this, you might look a little bit snobbish. If you look like this, you can be a little bit too cute. If you want to look professional, the best way is to look at the camera straight and having a more noticeable background. The second thing is the bio. Your bio needs to tell the new visitor what you do as profession and how you can help them. They need to get this right away, otherwise they might get confused and they can leave without following you. You need to also include how they can reach you and some kind of personal information. For example, maybe your personality or maybe values that you have for you and for your work. And also a link, of course. Instagram doesn't like third parties, so if you have multiple links like me, it might not be the ideal one for you. Some people use multiple links and some people just use their website link there in the links section. Whatever you prefer, just make sure that the links are working. For the multiple link option, I'm using InstaBio and I highly recommend it. I like their designs and they are very easy to navigate. Also, I like their analytics. You know, in your CV, there's like the work experience part that you do bullet points. And I feel like the highlights on Instagram works with the same logic. People go from first to second to third and try to see what you're sharing there. So if you have some testimonials from previous customers, if your artwork was exhibited in some galleries or you won an art contest or something like that, highlights are the best places to put them on. So as today's task, I would love you to go back to your Instagram and see if there's anything that you want to change, if you want to make it look more professional. But I want you to think like a new visitor who has no idea about you. Can they understand what you do and how you can help them? Is everything clear and looking professional? This is what we are looking for. We will continue to learn about free marketing.